Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix your Monsieur Cuisine Smart program not starting. First of all, if your bowl is hot, for some programs there is a temperature limit, like for turbo mode, knead mode, or some other modes, the temperature has to be room temperature. So you may want to cool down the bowl by either removing the lid and let it cool down automatically, like by not naturally, or you may want to cool it down with cold water. Remember to wipe it off with a paper towel later and make sure that your device is fully dry, especially from the bottom of the device before you start using it. And now the other reason may be simply the device the bowl improperly seated in your base station. So as you can see, here is the bowl, and if the lid is on and you can remove it, then it's improperly seated. You can see I can't remove it because the lid is on. If I unscrew the lid by twisting it counterclockwise, then I can remove the bowl. Then I should put it on with the lid off preferably, or twisted, and then twist it on clockwise, and then and only then it will be able to begin the program. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.